Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the AMT rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp down. You will first open up the liftgate. You can then use this to unlock the ramp. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. As we make our way inside, this one is going to have the flip-up seats. Now that the seats are flipped out of the way, you can do two wheelchairs at the same time or set this one up for a gurney. Go ahead and close the ramp. You lift it up like so. Make sure it's locked in. Close the lift. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this one has 53,000 miles. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.